Okay, fine. Your speech on blood donation. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Let us start. So first you are the initiator. So you'll be the first to make the presentation, and then you're going to make a team of at least 3 students who can come up with this, make a speech on the same topic, right? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Respected ma'am and my dear friends. I am Mahi Singh. So, today's topic for my speech is blood donation. As we all know that blood is a very important fluid that flows through our veins to maintain minerals, energy, and also helps us to transport many minerals into our body. Now, imagine if there is a deficiency of blood in our body, we need it we cannot it because it has a specific rare blood. So blood donations helps people to get blood they need through transfusion. But how will the transfusion happen if there is no blood available? This is where people like like us donate bloods to others. When we donate blood, it is stored in the blood bank from where it is given to the people who are needy. So I like to conclude my speech by saying that blood donation is a very noble cause. If we all save the lives of others, you are no less than a lifesaver than a doctor. All not become doctor. We all not become doctor, but also we can help the doctors by becoming blood donor. Thank you.
All right. One thing I would like to advise everybody that when you are given a topic, there are some 5 to 6 points you will discuss, like all the 5 W's and 1 H. What is blood donation? When do you donate blood, or when should you donate blood? Why should you? When? Why? What? Who? Where? All the 5 W's and answer the question. सबसे पहले तो what होता है, मतलब what it means introducing the topic. What is blood donation? Technical answer लाइए ना उसका. Blood donation क्या है? What is blood donation? Though everybody knows it, but then define the topic. How? सबसे लास्ट में how रहता है, ठीक है? All the 5 W's. What, when, where, why, and who, and how. How में बहुत क्वेश्चन हैं. How do you donate blood? How do you go about it? How is it possible to save a person's life? How can we say that blood donation is something which is very healthy for the body? How can we remove myths? There are a lot of questions for how. There are a lot of questions for what. There are a lot of questions for when. And there are a lot of questions for where. अगर टेक्निकली आप अपने आप को स्पीच को अच्छा करना चाहते हैं, टेक्निकली ये बाद में भी काम आएगा आपको इन GDs, इन स्पीचेस, फॉर योर करियर, फॉर योर इन योर इंटरव्यूज. तो अभी जो बोल रहे हैं आप, हैपहैज़र्ड लग रहा है, कंप्लीट नहीं लग रहा है, चाइल्डिश लग रहा है. लेकिन इंक्लूड कीजिए व्हाट, व्हाई, व्हेन. माही, आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you listening to me? Are you talking to somebody else? इसीलिए तुम लोग इम्प्रूव नहीं करते हो ना, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग, यू आर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन. Don't be too confident. Whatever I'm saying, it's good. The teachers will tell you what is good about you, and the teachers will tell you where and what you are lacking. अब यहाँ बता रहे तो तुम सुनने, बॉडी लैंग्वेज तुम्हारा कुछ और बता रहा है. Sorry to say, but your body language is, you are not paying attention to me. मैं आप ही के लिए कह रही हूँ ना.
Yes.
आप क्या बताइएगा, हमने क्या कहा अभी?
Yes, ma'am. It's important to say about the four whys. What is at first? What is blood donation? Why it is important? What is the use of it? So, in any speech, you have to give the
No, 5 W's, 1 H. I did not finish. I stopped because you were not talking to me. You were not paying attention. What? There are many questions for what. What is blood donation? What is the importance of blood donation? पहले क्वेश्चन तो समझ लो उसको जिसको तुमको आंसर करना है. कितने स्टूडेंट हैं जिनको समझ में नहीं आता कि हमको कैसे लिखें, क्या लिखें, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो सबसे पहले व्हाट के आंसर्स लिखो, फिर वाई के आंसर्स लिखो. वाई शुड यू डोनेट ब्लड? Why should we be informed the benefits of blood donation? जितने भी वाई के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं ना वो सारे लिख जाओ. वेयर, व्हेन, कब हम लोग ब्लड डोनेट करें. टेक्निकल रीजंस होता है ना. एंड बिफोर यू प्रिपेयर अ स्पीच, आपको तो टाइम मिला था फ्राइडे एक्टिविटी के लिए. यू शुड हैव बीन वेल प्रिपेयर्ड. माई, आई थिंक दिस आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो. व्हेन यू मेक अ स्पीच, आई वांट ऑल द 5 W's, 1 H, advantages and disadvantages,
yes.
and conclusion.
Okay.
तभी आपका स्पीच 4 to 5 minutes बन जाएगा. राइट, फ्लुएंसी आएगी, कंटेंट रिच हो जाएगा. एंड यू हैव टू बी सीरियस अबाउट स्पीच क्लासेस और एक्टिविटी क्लासेस, बिकॉज ये लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है. कौन गाइड करे? आई एम नॉट द पर्सन विल से यस इज माई वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नो, आई अप्रिशिएट योर कॉन्फिडेंस, बट देन माही, देयर इज रूम फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट फॉर एवरीवन. अभी जो आप बोल रहे हो, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, इट वॉज नॉट अप टू द मार्क.
Yes, ma'am.
Now please call your team, others who can make a presentation on blood donation as per the guidelines that I have given. ठीक है, चलो start. किसको बुलाओगे तुम?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'd like to invite call number 19, Abhinay Kumar. Hello, Abhinay. Are you listening me?
So can you hear? Are you there? Whom are you calling right now?
Roll number 19, Abhinay Kumar.
Abhinay, switch on your camera. Mahi, there are some people whose cameras are on. उनको बुलाओ ना. Call them. Forget people who are not online. Forget people with their cameras switched off. To me, they do not exist. वो क्लास में है ही नहीं, उनको क्या बुलाना? जो दिख रहे हैं उनको बुलाओ ना.
Yes, ma'am. Only
Activity class में all the coordinators, please ask your team to keep your cameras on. Otherwise leave the class. There are 40 people in the class, Pratay, and there are just 3 people who have to switch their cameras on. Otherwise,
very few students just switch on their camera. Only 2 now. Okay, sir. So now I'd like to invite.
and roll number 19 is not there. I'm removing him.
Okay.
ठीक
Okay,
है?
so now I'd like to invite Anisha to present speech on blood donation.
And 1 minute, जिसका भी नाम कोऑर्डिनेटर्स बता रहे हैं और वो रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली आई विल रिमूव देम. ठीक है, आई रिमूव्ड रोल नंबर 19.
Thank you, Mahi, for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah.
Yes, today's topic is blood donation. When a person gives blood by his own consent to save the lives of others, it is known as blood donation. The reason to donate blood is very simple. It saves lives of others. In fact, in every 2 seconds of every day, someone needs blood. The rarest blood type is Rh negative, AB blood group. They are nearest blood group which can be needed at any place at any time. All of us should always try to donate blood whenever and wherever it is needed. because if we blood is not just a liquid, it can save life of others. When we donate blood, it is a very humble thing, or when we donate blood, it can save lives.
It is a noble thing, not humble. It is a very noble,
Yes, ma'am,
divine
noble.
work. Divine, because you're giving blood, you're saving somebody's
Yes, ma'am.
life. So it is full of
And
divinity.
because blood cannot be manufactured in any factory or outside, it only made in our body. So we should donate blood to save lives of others.
अभी भी अधूरा है. ऑल द 5 Ws 1 है, एडवांटेजेस इंक्लूडेड नहीं हुआ है. बी टेक्निकल इन योर स्पीचेस. जो गाइडलाइन दिया जा रहा है उसको फॉलो कीजिए, अदरवाइज आपको बोलने के लिए कंटेंट ही नहीं रहेगा. और जब आप क्वेश्चंस लिखना शुरू करेंगे ना, तो यू विल राइट ऑन द आंसर्स, राइट. बी टेक्निकली स्ट्रांग. ओके, यस, माय नेक्स्ट.
Yes, ma'am. So now I would like to invite Gaurav to present speech on blood donation.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I am here to present a speech on blood donation. As we know, blood is an important fluid that flows in our body. It is so important that if we lose excess of it from our body, we can die. But we are very lucky to have a blood transfusion process that help can us life of the people. What is the important blood donation in simple word? Blood donation is when a person voluntarily gives blood which can be used for blood transfusion or to make certain drugs. And why is blood donation important? Why should people donate blood? Save blood saves life. A decision to donate your blood can save life or even several if your blood is separated into its components. And what is blood donation and its specifics? One blood donation provides different blood component that can help you up to 3 different people. Blood cannot be manufactured. And why should I donate blood? Other reason, you may not be able to donate blood. You have in last year you have been certain type of cancer or are being treated for cancer. Blood cancer like disease you from donating to protect blood donor and recipient. And how is blood donation used? Blood donation used to make a variant of different products include red cell, carry oxygen, more recipient or blood donation or gives red cell to donate blood oxygen carrying. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
ऑलराइट, आपने एंड करके आपने दैट्स ऑल कहा है. Always prepare your audience that you are going to finish. And finally, I would like to say that donate blood, donate life. आपका लास्ट लाइन बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, कैची होना चाहिए. एक ब्लड डोनेशन पे कोट होना चाहिए. ये सब कैसे होगा? जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, when you start practice writing.
Yes, ma'am. Blood donation also about gifting life to other people.
Yes. Fine. Very good.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. Uh, Today, I'm going to present a GD Fitness group discussion, and the topic of my group discussion is love marriage and arranged marriage. So love marriage. According to me, there are many benefit of love marriage. Love marriage is a very love marriage. There are many benefit of love marriage because in love marriage the husband and wife have the great bonding, and due to that there is happiness, and they promote the happiness. And in this love marriage, they live their life in a happy mood. And according to me, this love marriage is good for us because we can understand the feeling of one another before the marriage. And so that's why love marriage is best. And there is a very huge many one said that love marriage is bad because after some time they can divorce with each other. So it is not fact that because there is a great example of Amitabh Bachchan. In that case, when he hit the film Sharabi, and before the hit of film Sharabi, he said that when this film is hit, then after I married with Jaya Bachchan, and after that he married with Jaya Bachchan. Now he is very old, and after some time he also नहीं ये तो बोलना गलत होगा. So but his relation is now that his relation is also good. That is a very big example that love marriage is also success in our life. So that's why love marriage is great and good. Now I'm going to invite Ritik Kumar for say something about this.
Thank you for calling me, Pratyay. According to research conducted by American psychologists, love in love marriage fade away with time. There is a huge difference between love marriage and arranged marriage. Bonding between two couples with the respective of the family and with the condition of family. In arranged marriage, there are
Thereafter, anyone who wants to add, they add such things like there is one girl seated in front of me, that is Mona, and if she wants
GD, everybody can participate.
Yes, ma'am.
Put in your thoughts, put in your views.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us make a line. We'll go like that. Everybody will be. Yes, you.
Pratyay, one question. Earlier you said that the couples of Jaya Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan. That's the truth. That the couple are very beautiful and very love conditionally. What about your thinking about
Everybody put in your views.
Yes, ma'am. I think love marriage also has few cons also. Ma'am, can I say? Hello, ma'am.
yes, yes, Pratyay, you earlier said that the couple of Jaya Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan, their love is very conditionally and very much impressive. Then what about the thinking of your Salman Khan? Then
he is a great actor, but we can't say anything about the Salman Khan because he doesn't want to marry with anyone. And what is his problem? It is I can't know that what is the it is why he don't want to marry with anyone. So
so why love not going to the marriage?
Mahi, if you want to say something, then you can say, or Goda, Sagar, Anisa, because you are in front of me, and
Okay.
describe
Yeah.
my GD की
I
तरह बेस्ट बना दीजिए और क्या कह सकते हैं इंग्लिश
I think love marriage also have cons also, because I think they get in love marriage that they get divorced very easily, and I think love is not only the thing we need in life. We have to check the economic status, the background, the economic condition of the person, how the environment he grew up. So I don't think in love marriage only love is needed. Many things are needed. So, and also the family support, main thing is the family support is very important in love marriage. So I think there is also cons in love marriage.
Yeah, I
In
agree with Mahi that I think arranged marriage is better than love marriage. That is true. In love marriage, both the girl and the boy are mature and have right to select their life partners. But if our marriage is arranged, our parents are involved in it. If there is any disputes or any kind of dissonance in future, our parents can support us, because as Mahi said, they in love marriage they divorce easily. There is a need of family support, and when our family is when our family support us, it help us more to live life happily.
I think I support both arranged and love marriage. This topic is not about the love marriage or versus the arranged marriage. The the main point is respect. If you don't respect your partner, the marriage will unsuccessful. Either it is a love marriage or arranged marriage. So the respect and how you behave with your partner is more respect. I know the society, family is also important, but the main thing is respect. Thank you.
Yes, very good.
love marriage is not good. There is no family support. Fight occurs many times. Youngsters are confused between attraction or love.
And this is the main reason. I think youngsters get confused between the love and the attraction.
Attraction.
They don't find that which is love and which is attraction. They get trapped in between the love and the attractions. This is the main reasons I think in between the youngsters.
Yes, ma'am.
You can call out anybody जिसका कैमरा स्विच ऑफ है उसका भी बुला सकती हूँ ताकि it will enable me to remove them.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to invite Sagar and Shreyans. Sagar and Shreyans, are you there?
Yeah, I'm just here.
Switch on your camera, Shreyansh. नहीं आ रहा है, छोड़ दो.
Shreyansh.
रिमूव कर रहे हैं इसको. किसी और को बुलाओ.
Okay, Monica, are you there?
मोनिका, जो सामने दिख रहे हैं उनको बुलाओ और जो नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड कर उसको मैं रिमूव कर रही हूँ. रिमूविंग देम. चलो.
Sagar, you have to convince Ritik to take admission in CIMED. And Ritik is not agreed to take admission in CIMED, but you have to convince him.
Thank you so much, Anisa, for this.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I choose it. I have a chance to take admission in BTech in Kolkata previously, but I choose BBA because I have to follow my dreams, and previously when I choose BTech, I don't like.
Sorry to interrupt, Sagar, but I
because
said to convince Ritik to take admission in CIMED. He is not agreed to take admission, but you have to convince him.
Then who should we start first, Anisa?
Yeah, you
The
only.
Ritik.
Hello
You
everyone.
start.
I am not convinced with take admission in Simaj College because there is in Simaj College there is no facility of playground. There is no facility of canteen.
So you came for play here or study here, Ritik? The main
Yes,
motive
Sagar,
is your study or play?
you are right. You are right. But with a study with playing, there is a huge difference with only studying. One study with playing, there is a much more impressive.
But but the
You only behave in studying every time you study. You bored with study. You not even.
yeah, I agree, Ritik. But we should. This is the
in
age of our that we should focus on we should focus on our study, and the main thing is we have a chance to make our career in this time only. So we should make sure that we should admission in that college whose our faculties are good. So CMS is the perfect college to take admission which you want to choose, just like BBA, BCA.
Yes, I agree with you, Sagar. But whether it is positivity, there is also negativity.
So what is the negativity of this college
Yeah,
about
I prefer that in. Yes, yes. I am describing my views. In Simaj College, there all things are good, but the canteen facility is kept here because every student are take break and go everywhere here and there.
I think you are not
No, I am audible. There is vibrating sound. That's why I'm silent.